Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and here we are going into a new palette focus, and I figured why not finally dip into Huetopian Dream. This has already been out for what? Mothership 11 just recently came out, so what, 3 years this came out, and this is gonna be my first time dipping into it. No, I take that back. Maybe my second time actually dipping into this, because I've had this for a while. Some of these are already swatched, but it's gonna be my first time doing a full palette focus on this, coming out with as many looks as I possibly can, which I'm excited about because it's not another but finally sunny day in the Netherlands for now. That could change within the next 20 minutes. I just wrapped up my quad focus of the Passion Fleur. I kind of regret buying it, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm gonna go into this. This is probably going to be mostly a full face of Pat McGrath with maybe, I'm still gonna do my under eyes the same way I did for the past videos with the Guerlain and then the Becca eye brightener to really get rid of these dark circles. But primer, I'm actually going to continue using Milk because I only have a little bit of the Pat McGrath primer that I want to save for another video that I'm going to do. I'm going to save whatever left of this I have for that video. It's going to be more of a male tutorial complexion focus. I'm going to be using M18 for foundation, and for concealer I will continue to use LM14 just to give a little bit lightness. As far as setting powder, I will use Pat McGrath's light medium 2. I have some highlighters from Pat McGrath. I have blushers. I have the bronzers. Obviously, she doesn't have any brow products yet. We don't know if she's coming out with it. But for the most part, you know, I also have I have medium and light of this also. So this is going to be a lot of Pat McGrath on the face. But I think today for the look I actually might use one of these two for blush. Don't know yet. We'll see what kind of look I want to do. So without further ado, let me get my eyes prepped with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter eyeshadow primer. I might get the Pat McGrath one. We don't know yet. I have enough. I still have my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Let me go prep my eyes. Alright, so eyes are prepped with the eyeshadow primer. So yes, there is that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with, what highlighter do I want to use? Let's go in with Venus Nectar or Golden Nectar. Like, I do love these, but you can tell that this is definitely more of a champagne and this one has a little bit more beige. Literally the big difference. But I think with the aesthetics of this, I'm gonna go with Venus Nectar for, I have my windows open, so getting that breeze in, huh? So Venus Nectar for brow bone highlight. Oh, she is the moment. She's definitely giving. So we'll do this first on both sides, obviously, and just a little bit just right in the corner, just because, you know. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And I'm gonna go in with a bigger fluffy brush. And I think I'm going to go in with this one. Forgot the name of it, but I'm going in with that one. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do it a little bit higher than usual, just right up into the crease and blend it out. Oh, this is definitely such a beautiful palette. The colors just speak to me on so many levels. And I think I'm gonna actually use this as blush today as well. Are they twins? Are they twins? This is such a beautiful bright color, that's for sure. and just blend it out to the intensity you want it. Because I think I'm going to go into Cosmic Bloom. I believe that's what it's called, which is going to be this one next. To put all over the lid. But I kind of want to have this out just so I can start having the airbrush moment of having this in as a blush. Actually, you know what? We're going to go with the blush brush as well. Just begin to really... Maybe I should close my window, but if I do, it's going to be kind of warm in here, and I'm going to start sweating. Bring this out. Perfect. And let me go in with my good old MAC. This is like literally hanging on by a prayer now. Just to add a little bit more definition to get it right in the crease. Climb base shade definition. Because I don't know if I want to add a wing or just use a brown in here as my depth, but I know it's not going to give the depth that I want. But it's a palette focus. Where is my concealer brush that I like to use? Here we go. Just to really buff out those edges. Ooh. Ooh, we're getting some drama already. I love this. Now going in with the Cosmic Bloom on my ring finger. That is such a beautiful. This wet? Oh, forget it. I know this is an artistry palette, so I hope this doesn't stain my eyelids because I gotta go to work after this. Didn't actually really think about that, but hey, each to their own. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. I feel like if you use any of the astral shades on top of this, this is going to be very beautiful. See, on camera this comes off very warm, but in person it's almost like a little bit more neutral, cool, kind of, not full on. There we go. Let's get some patted on with a flat brush. I mean, oh, too close. Especially with that in the outer corner. Oh. Perfect. Now going in with the liner brush. Where is it? Where are you? I'm gonna go in with this one. Right here as the liner. But I don't think this is gonna add enough depth that I want. But we're gonna work with it. I wish this was like a deep ochre type of brown. That's what I wish it was. But I think with it being called the Huetopian Dream, I think Pat really wanted more of the hues to stand out and have a moment. Perfect. And as usual, we're going to create the wing first, and then we're going to blend it out to add the smokiness. I wonder if you could actually really use this as a blush topper almost. The Cosmic Coral. Look at that, it just, oh, radiates. Oh. It's giving us cosmic, orgasmic, out of this world type of stuff. Living for it. Perfect. Let me go ahead and blend these out. Let me go do the other side. I don't know if I want to get some black to deepen it, but we shall see, and you'll see where we are at in a moment. All right, so this is where we are at. I made a very big wing and I effed up, so we're gonna roll with the punches. But oh my god, look at that. She's gorgeous. She is everything. This is giving me life. I have to admit though, this is very much a, I don't know, gets me in the mood for Coachella, for like Tomorrowland type of makeup. Milk primer, by the way. And it's just, it's very, very beautiful palette. I'm actually very curious as to how many looks I could create with this, because it is starting to look a little familiar from the quad. Like some of these shades kind of look like some of the quads, but just a tad askew different, but by not that much. So let me go ahead and do the rest of my face. Oh, for liner I use NARS. Forgot I had the liner. But what's that? That's not the NARS. Was it NARS? Do I even have black in NARS? Nope, not the Maybelline. Was it Nick? Actually, don't remember which one I just used now. It wasn't NYX, was it? Anyways, I used an eyeliner. Nope, that's NYX still. Huh. I could have sworn it was a NARS, so I have the blue one from NARS. Okay, I don't remember what eyeliner I used, but I used a black one, obviously. So let me go ahead and do the rest of my face. I could have sworn it was a NARS. I didn't realize they even had a black from NARS. Let me go figure out my life, and you will see the final look in a moment. Alright, so this is the final look. I went ahead and used the eyeshadow. I went ahead and used this as blush, just to really blow everything out. Just so we have that seamless transition from the eye to the cheeks. And this is such a beautiful, beautiful, very coral moment, which is I'm loving. And a highlighter is actually Nude Venus. And I also went ahead and used Bronze Dawn, no, Desert Glow as bronzer. And this is the final look. Lips, I just went ahead and used the Opulus Gloss and Pale Fire Nectar. I really don't. Do I have any? I do have a couple mini lipsticks from Pat McGrath, but they're like more deeper. I think the one that I actually really did love, that was like really close to my lip color, was 1993. I'm not gonna buy a full size 1993 just to keep around for a little bit, just to do these. But I also did realize that it was the NARS liquid liner that I use for my liner. Found it. But yeah, so this is the first tutorial of the Huetopian Dream, and I do love these hues that it's giving. I mean, it definitely has a lot of the warms. It does have some hints of neutrals, and obviously with these three over here will definitely give you more of those different type of hues that you could play with. So, oh, look at that. This one is so beautiful. Obviously the bronze in here are very beautiful, very typical. Bronze, 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 but you can never have enough bronze and golds. So, tutorial one down. Let me go ahead and take pictures. As usual, you could go to my Instagram page to see the final edits of these looks. And I will see you guys on tutorial number 2. I don't know what I want to do yet, because I think towards the end of this series, I really want to focus on just layering these and see what kind of looks we could get. See, sun's coming out. And just look at that. It's just so wet. I love it. Guys, have a great day.